Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Bukhari. Today we are going to work on Solid Edge V20 software. I'm going to make Archimedes tutorial. Now firstly I select on the solid part. The solid part interface appears. Now I'm going to use the helical protrusion and select vertical plane as my reference plane. Now firstly I make the line which will act as axis rotation. Okay, now I'm going to make the profile of the screw. Click on this line. I'm going to set start by 3 points. First point is here. Second point is here. And then rotate it a bit. Bend it a bit. Okay. And now again I select first point here. Second point here. And here it is. Okay. Now I'm going to use the fillet command to fillet this edge. Okay. Now I click on returning. Firstly I click on axis rotation and then select this line as axis rotation. Click on return and then select this plane. Okay. Now I'm going to select the pitch and turn. The pitch will be of approximately 1. Turns will be approximately. Okay, click on preview. 8 inches are too large. Now I'm going to shorten it a bit. Click on return and here it is. I'm going to use it as okay. Click on next. Here and again it is a bit large. Now I'm going to shorten it a bit more. Click on 5 inches and here it is, and here it is again. I'm going to shorten it a bit more. Click on the 3 inches. Now I'm going to select the pitch as 3 inches. Okay, click on finish and then cancel. As you can see, this profile is now ready. Now I'm going to make a bar in it. For this purpose, I click on a simple protrusion command and select this plane as my reference plane. Click on the circle, select the center of this and make a click on return and then select protrusion on split instant and up a bit and then okay. Click on finish and then cancel. Now I'm going to beautify it using part painter. Click on green, click on feature and here it is. For the other purpose click on orange and then select this as orange. Now I'm going to make the case. For this purpose I'm going to select the default protrusion command. Rotate it a bit. Close and then I'm going to select the parallel plane. Select plane and now I'm going to select the top view and take the center of the reference plane. Okay. Now I am going to zoom out a bit. I'm going to make the line. Select as axis rotation. Okay. Now I'm going to command to move it a bit. Now I'm going to make the casing. And then here it is. As you can see, it is now ready. Now I click on return. Firstly I click on the axis rotation and select this line as my axis rotation. Click on return. As you can see, it can move. I'm going to select this to move it at 360 degree. Click on finish and then cancel. I'm going to use the diametric view. Okay, and we are not going to make it to 360 degree. We're going to select the Portuguese one and then click on edit, click on return, and then select extend step. As you can see, we are going to make it to the here. Okay, click on finish and then cancel. Select the diametric view, click on fit and then rotate it a bit. As you can see, our Archimedes doing already. Archimedes. Someone say Archimedes, someone say Archimedes. Now I'm going to select the format, then part painter. Then I'm going to select red color. Click on feature and select Portuguese. Now our Archimedes is doing already. If you have any query, you can ask me anytime. Okay, Allah Hafiz.